Learn English with Sophia. Listen and practice. Once upon a time, a man walked through a jungle and saw some huge elephants. What puzzled him was that these massive creatures were tied to a small rope on their front leg. There were no chains or strong cages. It seemed like these elephants could easily break free anytime they wanted, but they didn't. The man noticed a trainer nearby and decided to ask him why these elephants didn't try to escape. The trainer smiled and said, "You know, when these elephants were very young and much smaller, we used the same thin rope to tie them. Back then, it was enough to keep them in place. As they grew bigger, they believed that the rope could still hold them, even though they could easily break it. So, they never tried to escape." The man was surprised. He realized that these elephants could actually break free from the rope, but their belief that they couldn't held them back. This story is a bit like how sometimes we hold on to the idea that we can't do something just because we failed at it once before. But the truth is, failing is a way of learning, and we should never give up in life. Just like the elephants could break free, we can overcome challenges and doubts if we try and believe in ourselves. Quiz 1. Why didn't the elephants escape? A. Fearful belief. B. Limited strength. C. Tricky trainer. D. Heavy rain. Quiz 2. What held the massive elephants back from escaping in the jungle? A. Strong chains. B. Thick cages. C. Thin ropes. D. Wild animals. 3. What restrained the elephants? A. Thin rope. B. Metal chain. C. Strong cage. D. Wooden stick.